Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth using Knorr cubes. First, you'll need Knorr chicken bouillon cubes and hot water. The general rule is to use 1 cube for every 2 cups of water, but you can adjust this for stronger or milder flavor. Make sure your water is hot, as this helps the cube dissolve quickly and evenly, creating a smooth, flavorful broth for your recipes. Once your water is hot, simply drop the Knorr chicken bouillon cube into it. Begin stirring immediately and continuously. This action is key to ensuring the cube completely dissolves, preventing any undissolved bits at the bottom of your pot. A well-dissolved cube means a perfectly smooth and consistent broth, ready to enhance any dish you're preparing. After the cube has fully dissolved, give your broth a quick taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning if you feel it needs a little more salt or perhaps some black pepper. You can also add fresh or dried herbs, like parsley or thyme, to give it an extra layer of flavor. Your homemade Knorr chicken broth is now ready to be used in any recipe, from comforting soups to rich sauces. If you have any leftover chicken broth, simply pour it into an airtight container once it has cooled down. You can then store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it convenient for future meals. For longer storage, consider freezing it in ice cube trays. And speaking of making life easier, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home cleaning routine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.